Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. I'm happy to have you here, and in today's video I'll show you how to remove a signature in Docusign. Now you want to head over to your Google Chrome browser, which I'll be using for the course of this video, or any preferred browser of your choice that you would be working with, and then type in docusign.com and you would have this page displayed on your screen. And on this page, what you have to do over here is to ensure that you're logged in or you've signed up in Docusign. Now after logging in successfully, it will take you to the home page, which is this. This is what my Docusign home page looks like. And on this page, I can explore a world of activities such as agreements, template, report, administration, or I can decide to start or create an envelope or use the template already provided for me. There are a whole lot of things that you can do in Docusign. Ensure that you know which one you are here to do. In this video, what we want to do is show you how to remove a particular signature in Docusign. So the next thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner over here where you have your initials or your profile icon, and click on that and then manage profile. Remember, in the previous video we mentioned that for you to navigate any changes in your Docusign account, you have to go to manage profile, and that's where you have the information to do that. So when you click on manage profile, it will take you to this page where you can either decide to work on your profile, all right, change your name, email address, work on the privacy or security, wallet, signature, stamps, and all other things that are displayed over here. For the purpose of this video, what we want to do is show you how to remove a particular signature from your Docusign document. So you head over to signature over here, click on that, and in this on your screen you would see the number of signatures that you've worked with. So as you can see, you have the option of adding signature over here, and this is the only signature I have in my account. Now if I want to remove this particular signature, I'll just head over to actions, click on this drop down button, and I have the option to either edit or delete. And when I click on delete, you would see that my signature would be deleted. So that is how to successfully delete or remove a particular signature from your Docusign account. Remember that we came from our profile icon, all right, and then we headed over here, clicked on signatures, and then when we had the particular signature we wanted to remove, we clicked on actions and deleted it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was self-explanatory for you and you know how to remove a particular signature from your Docusign account. Until next time, bye for now.